And today, my friends, it is Saturday and we are gonna head up the longest wooden stairs in the world, 4,444 steps. I hope we are gonna do that. Maybe I will have a heart attack after half the stairs, but I'm hopeful that I will make it to the top. Just gonna fill up on some water in this brilliant kitchen here out in the open. Now this behind me is the Flørli power station, or the old power station, and it's also the place where the wooden steps start, because the wooden steps were built by the power company itself to go up to the top of the mountain, since this is a hydroelectricity plant. They tapped into the water that flows naturally down the mountainside. The building of Flørli hydroelectricity plant commenced in 1916, and in order to get the equipment up to the top of the mountain, they had to build a staircase and some rails. It was back-breaking hard labor and continued all year round. Now this here behind me is the wooden steps, and they used to go up and down there, maybe not every day, but so now we're gonna head up. So hopefully we're gonna head up. Maybe we're gonna head up. Ah, just kidding. Come on, you guys. Water. Oh my God. Save me from my own stupidity. Why? Oh, just kidding. Now we are about 1,000 steps up, and this is how high we are at the moment, and this is merely 1/3 of the way. The hardest thing is that there are this constant climb. There are nowhere where it's flat, which you could breathe again. So you are constantly climbing in these stairs here. But I'm guessing it's also a great workout. Isn't it so, Elisabeth?
Yes, it is.
A great workout. I am climbing the longest wooden staircase in the world. And that counts for something. That is so cool that it's here in Flørli, Lysefjord, Norway. Since I'm a Norwegian, I need to hit my chest. Hooah! Even though it hurts.
My old friend lent me a ear. I know when you trouble, it's hard to see things clear. I also know when I'm feeling down, it's good to have some friends to help you turn things around. So when you're alone and sorrow bound, close your eyes and hear the sound.
Now we are almost halfway there. We are about 2,300 steps or something, but we have the toughest part yet to go, and I'm going to show you. This is where we have gone. Up ahead, you can see it goes almost straight up the mountainside there. If I think that what we have done is hard, it's going to be way harder. And we can finally see Embla way down there. And we have just finished that really steep part. And of course, Shabby almost fell through. Luckily, we had her secured in this thing, so she didn't fall at all. But whoa, that was scary. That was really scary. Luckily enough, Elisabeth had the leash pretty tight, and she scraped her finger just a little, but I'm so glad. Oh, I'm guessing that Shabby here is getting really tired, and probably we need to carry her down, but so be it. We are not giving up yet.
I know when you're troubled it's hard to see things clear. I also know when I'm feeling down, it's good to have some friends to help you turn things around. So when you're alone and sorrow bound, close your eyes and hear the sound of all our good laughs, fine talks, and good sin. That's how you climb out from that hole that you're in. 'Cause there's no point in being down.
And as always here in Norway, just look at those stairs. There's no guardrails, no nothing, no security. It says so also in the beginning of this climb. You do this at your own peril, or whatever it's called. Responsibility, yeah.
Let's bring a toast to the times that we had. Can you even remember those that were bad? But if those bad times ever come, remember me, our toast and our fun. 'Cause there's no point in being down. You take a look around and see what you find. Easy to say, harder to do, but if you keep on looking down, you won't see what's passing you. I know, my friend, you will look up, you will shine like the sun. Into a bright future you will run. Into a bright future you will run.
So now we are almost at the top, way above the tree line anyway, and as you can see we have the whole fjord below us. We have a tiny bit more to go, that bit there, and it goes around the corner there, and I'm thinking we are at the top. And Elizabeth is over there. Hello, Elizabeth!
I'm ready to go.
Good. And Shabby's there too. Shabby the dog.
Fire rolling down those long dusty roads. His wiper's their companion, your engine and diesel your own. Thought you saw him on a truck stop, heard him on your radio. Is in the wind with which you collide, looking for the rock soul. Driving man, you know his name, for the rest of you, he waits on down the road. If you're driving man, you know his name, for the rest of you, he waits on down the road.
We are heading down the mountain. As you can see, the sun is about to be gone. And I hope we can make it down to the boat before it's pitch black here. There's still some sun up in the mountains, like you can see over there at the cliffside there. It's this beautiful red light. Oh, I just love mountains. I love them. Maybe I'm a mountain man, not a seaman. Seaman? I used to be a seaman, but that's a long time ago. Now I'm a seaman. Sailor. If you didn't catch it. Shabby needs to clean her feet a little, and she doesn't really care for it. Hey, Shabby! Whoa! Welcome back to Sailing Embla. No, just kidding. This is actually the end of another Sailing Embla video, and this is the fact. I bought a new camera, a Sony FDR X3000. Sounds like a Terminator or something. It is a great camera, but something happened to the audio. Man, this last clip here was so great. You know, we had the energy there, Elizabeth and I, and it was so fun. So what I had to do was make another clip like this one here. Thank you. Of course, gotta have a cup of coffee. Thanks to Lena and you guys. Now, anyway, we were talking about we had such a great trip there at Flurly, and it is well recommended to go there. And we bought ourselves these t-shirts, these trophies of actually done the stairs itself, and we can wear them with pride. Anywho, what happened during the trip down from the mountain? It became really dark, so we actually had to use the flashlight on the phone to get down from the mountain because it was quite steep. And we went back to Sandnes on Sunday because I had to go to work on Monday. Besides that, I said thank you guys for watching this entire video, and thanks for the Patreons that has patronized. No, you haven't patronized. What I meant to say was thank you guys for being patrons. I've gotten 2 more patrons since last time. I will give you guys the salute on the next video accordingly, of course, and you will end up on the wall of fame. I think that was pretty much it, what we discussed in the boat there, and we high-fived for doing the trip. There we go again, now with sound. Anywho, thank you guys for watching the video, and if you liked it, give me one of these. And next time when I'm using that Sony, I promise you I will have audio on it. Give me a comment in the comment sections below because I love reading it all. And until next time, you take care, and I will see you there.